In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off TikTok notifications. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. What you need to go ahead and do first is come over to TikTok, and then once you've come over to TikTok, go ahead and come over to your profile. And then once you come over to your profile, what you need to go ahead and do from here is click on the three dots in the top right corner. And then as you can see, you'll be brought to all your settings and privacy settings and things like that. So what you want to go ahead and do is simply find push notifications. And then once you've found that, there is notifications for literally everything on TikTok. So you've got likes, comments, new followers, mentions, and everything like that. So if you want to go ahead and stop notifications getting sent through to your mobile phone when people post and things like that, what you need to go ahead and do is click on videos from accounts you follow. So go ahead and check that off, and then go ahead and do video suggestions also. And you can go ahead and you can turn off whichever you like on here. So go ahead and choose which ones you want to turn off. And it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.